Yay guys, look at this! I've been waiting for this since such a long time and I finally got them. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting and also special because I have something awesome to show you all. The thing is guys, a few days ago I was searching for some unique gadgets on Banggood and guess what? I found this awesome stuff. These are smart LED, sunglasses. The thing is guys, those special smart glasses that come with a display and can show a lot of animations or text or no matter what you do. This is exactly that, but at a very affordable price tag. So this smart glasses has around like 200 or 215 LEDs on it, and each and every LED is customizable and also programmable using a smartphone app. Like how cool is that? You can use that app to display some sort of text on it or emojis, or maybe you can even animate and show some sort of logo flying or anything. You can do a lot using that app guys. And guess what? I bought this for only like 1400 rupees. It's available in a lot of colors as well. So yeah, in this video I'll be showing you this. I'll be unboxing and showing you all of its awesome features. So let's get started with the video. So guys, here are the smart LED glasses I was talking about. They come in this sort of box packaging and are actually called as Magic LED eyeglasses. That's the name of the product. It's a simple looking white box with a picture of the glasses on the front and there's nothing else written on it. Let's get started with the unboxing. By the way, I forgot to mention, these sunglasses come in different variants. That means the LEDs present on it have a fixed color, so you'll have to choose which one you want. Like they come with a green LED display, white LED display and much more. The choice is up to you. I went with the green color variant. So here they are, our new smart LED glasses. Let me take it out and show you. Holy moly, they look nice, right? So before we talk about them in detail, let's also see what else do we get in the box. You get a micro USB cable for charging and a user manual. Make sure to read that for all the info. So these are all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the glasses. Damn, I have to tell they've got a funky looking design and the frame only comes in black color and is available only in this one standard size. The design looks good from our first impressions. It kinda gives you a robotic feel, and guys, you see these dots on the front? All of these are micro SMD LEDs nicely arranged in a pattern. You have around like 216 fixed color LEDs on these glasses and all of them are customizable and programmable. Talking about the build quality is decent. The frame is entirely made of plastic and it's also a bit bulky because it has to carry a built-in battery as well, right? And talking about the finishing, the body has a dull gloss finish all over it and the overall finishing quality was average. See guys, for the price what you're paying, I feel the quality is okay. The interior of these glasses have a sort of Venetian blinds and also offers a rubberized nose grip for extra comfort. Talking about the buttons, there's only one button at the top to power on or off the glasses, a micro USB port on the bottom side for charging, and the glasses also have a built-in microphone for audio EQ visualizer effects. So let me quickly power it on and show you how the display on it looks like. There you go. Holy smokes, are you guys looking at this? That is so cool, right? Alright guys, so that was our unboxing and first look at these smart LED glasses. Now what I'll do is I'll just wear them and show you how they look like when you wear these sort of glasses. Let me put mine aside and wear these smart glasses. Okay, so this is how you'll look like when you wear these sort of glasses guys. I think they're a bit big in size for me, and talking about the size guys, these LED glasses come only in one size, so you'll have to adjust with that. I think they're more suitable for people with broad and big faces. I don't know about me, you only tell me how I look when I wear these glasses. And talking about the comfort, they've got a rubber grip over here above the nostrils, so I would say they're not the most they're decent but not the most comfortable sunglasses I've worn till now. So let me quickly power it on and show you how the display on it looks like. You just need to press this power button for about like 2 to 3 seconds and I guess they're on. Let me check. Oh yes, they're on. The thing is, I can't see any LED from the inside guys because the LEDs are covered with strips like this, so they're not visible to you. Only the opposite or the other people can see what's going on the display. Very cool, right? So that won't be disturbed. And talking about the visibility, I can see everything clearly. Just some blinds are there, but that is not an issue. So yeah, so this is how the display looks like right now. I think I've set my name on it. You can see my name flying. Yep, you can see my name, and not just name guys, you can do a lot more stuff like animations, emojis, a lot of stuff which I'll be showing you after this clip. So what do you think? How do they look on me? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now let me show you the app that you need to install on your phone to pair with these glasses. The name of the app is called as Funky Glasses and is available on both Play Store as well as App Store. Pairing it with your phone is very simple. You just need to power on the glasses first, turn on Bluetooth on your phone, open the app and pair it from the home screen. And there you go, as soon as you do that, the glasses automatically reloads the last used settings. As you can see, it displays my name in green color, and I have to say the display looks very attractive. The LEDs are bright, rich in color, and everything displayed on it is easily understandable. So guys, talking about the app has a lot of modes, and the good thing is you can even adjust the brightness of these LEDs, just like this. The app responds very quickly, almost in real time. There is no delay anywhere. Coming to the modes, the first one you see is called the text mode, where you can write anything and that will be displayed on the glasses. For example, let's write something and hit go. So that is how it works. You can even animate that text using the provided options, just like this. That was about the text mode. Second on the list, we've got graphic animations. In this section, you can choose and apply some animations either from the available presets in the app or even from your phone's gallery. It's got some really cool effects, just have a look at them. That is awesome, right? I really like this product, definitely worth the price. Along with that, we've got even more modes like audio visualizer, graffiti mode where you can draw any custom artwork and that will be instantly displayed on the glasses. Very fun and interactive. That's it, these were all the available customizable features. Now let me tell you about the battery life. These glasses come with a built-in 180 mAh battery and the battery life was decently good. On an average at 75% brightness level, I was getting around 4 to 4.5 hours of continuous usage, and charging it fully from 0 to 100 took only around 1 hour. Well, that was my video on these awesome and affordable smart LED glasses. The level of customizations and features it offers for such a reasonable price tag makes it a great purchase. Love the design, looks futuristic and offers good battery life as well. The only thing I felt was the size should have been a bit smaller, and I also miss RGB. It only comes in one fixed color. These smart LED glasses cost only around like 1400 rupees and are available on Banggood. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.